Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by sweeping the obvious hotspots, under cushions, pockets, and around the Apple TV box. Once done, clear surfaces and shine a light into gaps. Small remotes hide in plain sight. Then use your iPhone's Control Center remote or Find My Item list to attempt a ping or sound if the remote supports it, because an audible ping saves time. Make sure nearby chargers or cables aren't hiding it, and keep the room quiet to hear any tones clearly. Once you confirm the Apple TV still responds to your phone, narrow the search by retracing your last actions and routes, which couch cushion you used where you grabbed snacks or carried the remote. Make methodical sweeps. Move cushions, check under rugs, inside laundry baskets, and behind furniture legs while scanning with a flashlight. If the Apple TV accepted commands from your phone, focus near that TV and adjacent rooms. Remotes often fall nearby. Keep testing the TV. If you still can't find it visually, finish by attempting a software fix. Go to Apple TV settings, remotes and devices, and try to repair a lost Siri remote or check battery status. Make sure to charge or swap the battery. Low power can mimic disappearance. If repairing fails, use an iPhone as a temporary remote or a universal IR remote. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, power cycle the Apple TV and reattempt pairing. Sometimes Bluetooth needs a reset to reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.